Hey everyone! So, have you ever thought about using AI to create awesome marketing videos in just minutes? I used to spend forever trying to put together something that looked even halfway professional. But then I found HeyGen AI, and let me tell you, it's been a total game changer. Today, I'm excited to share my experience with you, covering everything from the features to the pricing, and even the pros and cons. So, if you're wondering whether HeyGen is really worth it, you're in the right place. First off, what is HeyGen AI? In simple terms, it's an AI-powered platform that lets you create professional-looking videos with customizable avatars. Whether you're making a product demo, a training video, or just some social media content, HeyGen makes it super easy. And I know you're probably asking, are HeyGen avatars real people? Nope, they're not. These avatars are AI-generated, but they're so realistic. It's almost like working with real actors. Do you want to know what it seems like? Well, exactly like both of us. We are AI generated too. So, is HeyGen any good? After using it for a bunch of projects, I can honestly say it's one of the best AI video tools out there. The ease of use, combined with the quality of the videos, really puts it ahead of the game. However, like any tool, it has its drawbacks. For example, while the avatars are highly realistic, they can sometimes appear slightly robotic in their movements, especially during more complex animations. This brings us to the HeyGen pros and cons. On the plus side, it's super user-friendly. The avatars are high quality, and you can produce videos really quickly. On the downside, the cost can add up, and as mentioned, the avatars aren't always as fluid as you might like.
Speaking of cost, let's talk about HeyGen pricing. They offer a HeyGen free trial, which is a great way to dip your toes in and see what it's all about. But if you want more features, the paid plans start at $29 per month. I know it might sound a bit pricey, but when you think about how much time you save, it might just be worth it. Now, let's dive into the features that make HeyGen stand out. One of the most impressive aspects of HeyGen is the range of customizable avatars. You can choose from over 100 avatars that come in various styles, languages, and accents, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your brand. Another standout feature is the text-to-speech functionality, which allows you to type out your script, and HeyGen's AI will convert it into speech, perfectly synced with your avatar's lip movements. This feature is especially useful for creating videos in multiple languages, as HeyGen supports over 40 different languages. One thing I really love about HeyGen is the HeyGen Labs. It's like a playground where you can try out experimental features before they're fully released. And if you're into tech, you'll love the HeyGen API, which lets you integrate HeyGen's video making capabilities into your own apps. Perfect if you're looking to customize your video workflow. I know safety is a big concern, so let's address it. Is the HeyGen app safe? And is HeyGen safe to use? Absolutely. HeyGen follows industry standard security protocols to keep your data safe. Plus, they regularly update the platform to fix any potential issues, so you can use it with peace of mind.
So, what's my take on HeyGen AI? All in all, HeyGen offers a powerful, easy-to-use platform for creating high-quality videos quickly. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, this tool could be just what you need to step up your video content game. After using it extensively, I'd give HeyGen a solid 4.5 out of 5. If you're curious, I'd recommend starting with the HeyGen free trial to see if it's right for you. Thanks so much for watching. If this review was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on using AI tools like HeyGen. Also, head over to my website where I dive deeper into the latest AI technology. See you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring.